What do we use it for?
So you can like make gummies and syrup, which
And juice
yeah.
and jelly.
I take it personally every day because
Your mom is afraid you'll get sick.
yeah, and it helps.
It's supposed to help with viruses, right?
Yeah.
But the plants are kind of expensive. So how
Oh,
do we
yeah.
get more plants?
All you have so at the top, it spreads elderberry. At the bottom, it's roots. Well, it spreads
You talk about nodes, right?
and
Let's get close and look at what a node is.
this is a node right here.
Right here.
This is
It's like a bud.
yeah. Little,
And you need two.
yep.
One to make the top to make
Limbs.
and that side gets cut how?
It cuts
Flat.
just like that.
And then you need the node to make roots, and that side gets cut how?
And a 28 degree.
At a 45-degree angle.
Yeah, and you want to cut it just like that.
There you go.
And then you got two.
And put it in the bag.
Like that.
Okay, put that in there. Count them, we need 9.
That's 3.
And when we're done cutting them off the tree, a little bit of pruning sealer. All right, we did this last year, but we ended up moving, so it didn't work that good. So you really don't necessarily need rooting hormone, but I've got some. You're gonna dip it in there. Stick it in. Want to make sure that node gets underneath so it can turn into roots. And we'll just let that sit.